Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to teach you where is gaming section inside YouTube app. So you can see I am on YouTube app. So to find the gaming section, all you have to do is go to this little icon on the top left corner. From here is the option trending music, gaming and sports. Here is tap on the gaming section, and from this timeline you will see all the video related to games. So this is how you find gaming section inside YouTube app. So this is the method. So you can watch video, or if you need other like sports related, you can do that. So this is how you find gaming section inside YouTube app.